Good morning, class. Today we'll take the last topic of the chapter, that is unemployment. And previously we had discussed the quality population through education and PSC, primary health centers. Now in this we will see first of all the definition of what is unemployment. Unemployment is a situation when a person wants to do something or some work but is not getting the work. And through the stories we will analyze the topic. So Sakal mother we have seen in the story looked after domestic chores and taking care of the children, working with her husband in the field, and uh, spending her lots of time in like they're playing and roaming. Can you call this sheet? Then another member we see that in the story, then they are the Sheila or Jitu or Shilu. That if we say about that, are they people unemployed? No, we cannot say them unemployed. Because unemployed is the situation, as I told you, is the when person wants to work but is not getting the work. Sheila is not interested in working outside of the family. Her domestic domain means whatever she wants, she is only interested to serve the family. So Shitu and Jitu are too small to be counted in the workforce population. Children, workforce population is a new word for you. Workforce means the people who come under the age of 15 to 59. Earlier I told you about this, like in 8th class you read, that is dependent population and working population. So dependent population are those who cannot work, means in the children in childhood, and old people who are above age of 60. So this is the working population or workforce population. So cannot be counted as unemployed. The workforce population includes people from 15 to 59 years. Sakal's brother and sister do not fall in this category, in this age group. She, Sakal's mother, Sheila, works for family. She is not willing work outside her domestic domain for payment. Means if she wants, she could go she could go outside to earn the money, enhance the income of family. But you can understand that if she goes outside of the family, who will take care of the family? Means they will hire some other servant to take care of the family. So that's why she doesn't go. And Sakal's grandparents are, although are not mentioned in the story, if they are, they also will not come under the workforce population. In case of India, we have unemployment in rural and urban areas. However, the nature of unemployment differs in rural and urban areas. In case of rural areas, there is seasonal and disguised unemployment. These two unemployment we have to learn and we have to understand them in good manner. Urban areas have most educated unemployment. So we will see them, what is the situation, how they occur. So seasonal unemployment happens when people are not able to find jobs during some month of the year. We are studying here seasonal unemployment. Generally, it is found in both of the situation. We can see this in urban area or simultaneously in rural area. Means labor class both, whether they are of agriculture or they are of any construction site or in city. So there are certain busy season in the sowing harvesting when we talk about this in agriculture. So there are certain busy season in the sowing means seed sow karna, then harvesting, weeding and threshing done. Certain months do not provide much work to the people dependent on agriculture. The people who are dependent on agriculture, generally in the month when agriculture is not there, like after the harvesting period, means we know that the harvesting of wheat take place in the month of April, and after that paddy means rice, it take place in the month of June and July. So what is in May, okay, and in the month of June, especially 2 months. Generally, April we can say this is March. In the month of March in plain region it take place. So that means April, May, and June, 3 months when where the person will go. So this is the time period when they are in need of some work, they want to do some work because of survival of family. In case of the disguised unemployment, people appear. When we talk about disguised unemployment, means simple definition is that when a person is working but not increasing the productivity is called disguised unemployment. Let's see with the example of agriculture. So people appear to employed and they have agricultural plot and when they are find work. This is usually happens among family members engaged in the agriculture activity. You can understand by this example. Suppose Savita is a farmer, she is having this much of plot and she is having five sons and need of this plot is of three people only, but all are engaged. If three works in this field, they are earning in a particular manner, limited manner. But when five are working, the same they are earning. Means productivity is not increasing. We can understand this. So the work requires service of five people belong to engaged eight people. Means in a plot when there is a service of five people required and there are only eight people engaged, three people are extra. So these three people also work in the same plot as others. So the contribution made by the three extra people does not add the contribution of made by the five people. Means they are not adding anything, neither the productivity or any kind of service. If the people are removed, if these three people are removed from there, so what will happen? Nothing will happen. The field requires service of five people only, three were extra. So this is called the disguised unemployment. Means there was no need of them, but they were doing, they were busy, they were engaged in that activity. So in case of urban areas, educated unemployment has common phenomena. Many youth with the matriculation, graduation and post graduation degrees are not able to find the job. We'll stop this video here because there are certain examples which you will study regarding this, because the video cannot be completed in that one. So in next video I explain you all about the in urban areas. Till here we read about the rural areas, disguised unemployment. Sometime this employment we will continue in the urban region how. So let's see there. Till then, I stop this video.